Primary 3, Second Midterm, Mathematics. Chapter 7, Multiplication and Division, Part 2. Content: multiplying and dividing by 8 and 9, multiplication and division sentences, square numbers, multiplication and division word problems. Objectives: use multiplication tables of 8 and 9 to multiply and divide. Write multiplication and division sentences. Find square numbers using multiplication. Solve simple word problems involving multiplication and division using bar models. Now we will see the multiplication table of 8. Multiplying and dividing by 8. Multiplication table of 8. Here, first one, 1 multiplied by 8. Now we see what is the answer. 1 multiplied by 8. Here, when you multiplied 1 by 8, the answer is 8. 1 multiplied by 8, the answer is 8. Now children, we'll see the next one. 2 multiplied by 8. Can you guess the answer? Now how to find this answer? Here, now 1 multiplied by 8 is 8. So how to find 2 multiplied by 8? What you have to do here, for 8, you have to add another 8. When you add another 8 to 8, then the answer is 16. So here, then next one, 3 multiplied by 8. To find that number, you have to add 8 to 16. Then you can get that answer. Now we see what is the answer. 3 multiplied by 8 is 24. So 4 multiplied by 8, that one also same. For 24, you have to add another 8. When you add another 8 to 24, the answer is 32. Now 5 multiplied by 8. Same way you can use. 5 multiplied by 8, the answer is 40. Then 6 multiplied by 8. The answer is 48. 7 multiplied by 8. The answer is 56. 8 multiplied by 8. The answer is 64. 9 multiplied by 8. The answer is 72. 10 multiplied by 8. The answer is 80. Now here, these numbers 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72 and 80. We call these numbers as multiples of 8. These numbers are multiples of 8. Then now we will see some examples. Now children, there are 4 flowers in each vase. How many flowers are there in 8 vases altogether? Now here, how many flowers in each vase? In one vase, 4 flowers. So what is the question? How many flowers are there in 8 vases altogether? In one, 4 flowers. Then how many flowers are in 8 vases? So how to find that? You have to do multiplication. 4 you have to multiply it by 8. Then the answer is 32. Now the next one. Here, listen children. Jill has 72 stamps. He wants to share the stamps equally with 8 of his friends. How many stamps will each friend get? Jill has 72 stamps. He wants to share the stamps equally with 8 of his friends. How many stamps will each friend get? Here, altogether there are 72. And this boy wanted to share them among his friends. So, how to get the answer? 72 you have to divide by 8. When you divide 72 by 8, the answer is 9. Next one, Jane has 8 packets of toffees. Each packet has 6 toffees. How many toffees are there altogether? In one packet there are 6 toffees. Then you have to find how many toffees are there in 8 packets. Here you have to do a multiplication or division. In one packet 6 toffees. So you have to find how many toffees are there in 8 packets. So how to find the answer? 6 you have to multiply it by 8. Then the answer is 42. Or 8 multiplied by 6 also correct. 6 multiplied by 8 also correct. Okay. Now, here another important thing. We can also use the multiples of 4 to help us find multiples of 8. Since 8 is double 4. You all know 8 means when you double 4 you can get the answer 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. Here now we will find 4 multiplied by 8. What is the answer? 4 multiplied by, now 8 means double 4. 8 means double 4. So 4 multiplied by double 4. Now here double 4 means, now here 4 multiplied by 4 equals 16. So that one you have to double. 16 plus 16, double means 16 plus 16. 16 plus 16 is 32. So 4 multiplied by 8 is 32. You can get the answers from 8 times table by using the multiples of 4 also. Now we'll see multiplying and dividing by 9. Multiplication table of 9. Here 1 multiplied by 9 equals 9. Now same as multiplication table of 8, here also to find the next number, it means 2 multiplied by 9. What you have to do here for this 9 you have to add another 9. When you add another 9 to this 9, then the answer is 18. So next one also same, 3 multiplied by 9 equal to 27. 4 multiplied by 9 equal to 36. 5 multiplied by 9 equal to 45. 6 multiplied by 9 equal to 54. 7 multiplied by 9 is 63. 8 multiplied by 9 is 72. 9 multiplied by 9 is 81. 10 multiplied by 9 is 90. Now here, now see these numbers. Here 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81 and 90. Here this 9 time table there's an easy way to write. When you are writing this 9 time table, there's an easy way to write. There's an easy way to write, okay? Here, if you put the numbers starting with 0, here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to start from here and put numbers from 0 to 9 like this way. Then you have to start 0 from here. Then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So easily you can get these answers. Now these 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90 we call as multiples of 9. Multiples of 9. Then now here another important thing, multiples of 9 always have digits that add up to 9. Multiples of 9 always have digits that add up to 9. Now we'll see whether that is correct. Now when you take this one here, 0. 0 plus 9, the answer is 9. And when you take this number 18, 1 plus 8, the answer is 9. Here 27, 2 and 7. 2, when you add 7 to 2, then the answer is 9. 36, 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 also answer is 9. Next one, 45. 4 plus 5, the answer is 9. So when you add all these numbers together, then you can get answer 9. So here multiples of 9 always have digits that add up to 9. Now we see some examples. My sister has 4 drawers of books. Each drawer has 9 books. How many books does my sister have altogether? There are 9 drawers. In one drawer, there are 9 books. There are 4 drawers, and each drawer there are 9 books. So how to find the answer? 4 you have to multiply it by 9. Then the answer is 36. 4 multiplied by 9, the answer is 36. Next one, John has 63 apples. He puts 9 apples on a plate. How many plates of apples does John have? He has 63 apples. He puts 9 apples on a plate. How many plates of apples does John have? Now children, how to find this answer? You have to do multiplication or division. Now we'll see. 63 divided by 9 equals 7. 63 divided by 9 equals 7. Next one. The farmer has 9 ropes. Each rope is 9 meters long. What is the total length of the rope? Farmer has 9 ropes and one rope is 9 meters long. So what is the total length of the rope? So how to find that answer? 9 you have to multiply it by 9. When you multiply 9 by 9, the answer is 81. Now next one, multiplication and division sentences. We'll see how to write multiplication and division sentences using 3 numbers. When you get 3 numbers, you have to know how to write these multiplication and division sentences. Now here 6, 42, 7. What are the three numbers? 6, 6, 6, then 42, then 7. Now using these three numbers, we have to write 2 multiplication sentences and 2 division sentences. Now here, how to do that? Now we will see first multiplication sentences. Now here, when you take 6 and 7, when you multiply 6 by 7, then you know the answer is 42. Now first one is 6 multiplied by 7 equals 42. Now here 6 is here and 7 is here. Now we have to change these two. We have to take 7 first, then 7 multiplied by 6 equal to 42. First one is 6 multiplied by 7 equals to 42. Then you have to take 7 first, then 7 multiplied by 6 equal to 42. Now we will see the division sentences. Here 42, when you divide by 6, the answer is 7. 42, when you divide by 6, the answer is 7. Then 42 divide by 7, then the answer is 6. So this is very easy, children. You have to know how to write these. When you are writing always multiplication sentences, you have to take two smaller numbers first before the equal mark. When you are writing division sentences, you have to select the largest number that should become first. Then 42 divide by 6 equals 7. 42 divide by 7 equals 6. Now we will see another example. Here these are the numbers 5, 35, 7. Now children see whether you can tell the answers. Now who can tell a multiplication sentence? Now we see multiplication sentences. Now here 5, 35 and 7. Here we have to take 5 and 7. Then 5 multiplied by 7 equals 35. Then you have to take 7 first. Then 7 multiplied by 5 equals 35. Then when you are writing division sentences, as I told, you have to take 35 first. 35 divided by 5 equals 7. 35 divided by 7 equals 5. Now another example. These are the numbers 36, 9 and 4. Here we'll write multiplication sentences first. Now here you have to take 9 and 4. 9 multiplied by 9. First one will take 4 multiplied by 9 equals 36. Then 9 multiplied by 4 equals 36. Then division sentences. Here you have to take 36. Then 36 divided by 4 equals 9. 36 divided by 9 equals 4. Now next one is square numbers. When we multiply a number by itself, we get a square number. When you multiplied a number by itself. Now if you take number 1 and when you multiply number 1 by 1, then you can get the square number. Again listen children, when we multiply a number by itself, we get a square number. Now here the first example, 1 multiplied by 1. 1 multiplied by 1, the answer is 1. Now here 2. Here 2, here 2. Then 2 when you multiply it by 2, the answer is 4. Now when you count this also, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares. Then here answer is 4. Next one, 3 multiplied by 3. 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. Next one, 4 multiplied by 4 equals 16. See, the answer is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The answer is correct. Now 5. Here this side 5, this side 5. Then you had to multiply it 5 by 5. When you multiplied 5 by 5, answer is 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. The answer is 25. Now here, square numbers. Square of 1 means 1 multiplied by 1 equals 1. Square of 2. 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. Square of 3. 3 multiplied by 3, answer is 9. Square of 4. It means 4 multiplied by 4, the answer is 16. Square of 5. 5 multiplied by 5, answer is 25. Square of 6. 6 multiplied by 6, answer is 36. Square of 7. 7 multiplied by 7, the answer is 49. Then square of 8. 8 multiplied by 8, then the answer is 64. Then square of 9. 9 multiplied by 9, the answer is 81. Square of 10. 10 multiplied by 10, then the answer is 100. So 1, 4, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100 we call as square numbers. These numbers we call as square numbers. Now, solving word problems using bar models. Solving word problems using bar models. Here, first one, Jane has 3 stamps. Her sister has 4 times as many stamps as Jane. How many stamps does Jane's sister have? Now here, Jane, she has 3 stamps. Now Jane's sister, she has 4 times as many stamps as Jane. She has 4 times as many stamps as Jane. Now Jane has only 3, but her sister has 4 times as many stamps as Jane. So how to find the answer? 3 you have to multiply it by 4. When you multiply 3 by 4, then the answer is 12. 3 multiplied by 4, the answer is 12. Now the next example. Mrs. Jenny, a grade 1 teacher, distributed 32 pencils equally among 4 children in her class. How many pencils will each child receive? Now the teacher has 32 and she divided them equally among 4 children. Teacher has 32 pencils and she divides them among 4 children. So, how many pencils will each child receive? 32 when you divide by 4, then the answer is 8. 32 you have to divide by 4. Now, Peter has 7 rows of pineapple plants with 8 plants in each row. How many pineapple plants does he have? There are 7 rows and each row there are 8 plants. Now in one row how many? 8 plants. In one row there are 8 plants. So you have to find how many pineapple plants are in 7 rows. 7 rows. How to find it? 7 you have to multiply it by 8. 7 multiplied by 8, then the answer is 56. 7 multiplied by 8, then the answer is 56. Now next one. 40 players are equally divided in 5 teams. How many players are there in each team? There are altogether 40 and divided them in 5 teams. How many players are there in each team? So here what you have to do, 40 you have to divide by 5. 40 you have to divide by 5. 40 when you divide by 5, then the answer is 8. Summary. Use multiplication tables of 8 and 9 to multiply and divide. Learn square numbers. Write multiplication and division sentences. Use bar models to solve word problems. Here you can do these exercises, children. References: MathSmart Textbook 3A, Mathematics Workbook Primary 3. Thank you.